Hey, what's going on, guys? Doing a review here on this Harbor Freight telescoping flagpole kit. It's a 20-foot flagpole and it's telescoping and it comes with a little rinky-dink American flag that you can buy at any of your local Harbor Freights. Well, pulled it out of the box, brand new, after spending money on a bag of concrete, put the pipe in the ground a little over halfway so you got good stability, and this little cheap plastic ball that they put on the end for decoration is just junk. It's not only loose, but look at there, you can open it right up. You're talking about junk. I can't wait to put that on their website. That's how junky and flimsy this thing is. I mean, I could go to the store and buy a bunch of PVC with some connectors and make something that's better than this thing. I mean, you can see this little glue here where they glue these caps on is all coming up and everything else. You know, and it's really flimsy. It's almost, I wouldn't call it, it's almost like it's thinner than regular PVC, and that's, I think, the problem. This stuff is really, it gives and bends. And I would not recommend this thing. You know, it's junk. It really seems like it's junk. I think, you know, look at the glue on this thing. It's brand new out of the box. You know, there's the wrapper right there and crap. And there's that flag. I mean, this thing, I said, brand new I just took it out of the box. Talking about junk, I really think I'm going to take it back up there and get my money back on this thing. You know, it's really poor quality. I mean, as you can see there, you know, look at all these glue marks everywhere. So yeah, there's a piece of advice for you all out there that shop at Harbor Freight. Do not buy this telescoping flagpole. Spend a little extra money, order one from a good company that's going to sell good quality. Whether it's, you know, I don't know, some company online, or I wouldn't say Amazon, I don't like their crap, or Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that. But I definitely would not recommend this telescoping flagpole kit you can buy at Harbor Freight. But yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think. If any of y'all out there have had this and purchased this yourselves, and what you think of it. You know, have you had this also the same experience out of it, or have you had a good experience? Let me know in the comments. And if y'all don't, well, if you know a place that sells, you know, good quality ones, maybe ones that are made out of metal and instead of this thin ass PVC crap, yeah, just let me know down there in the comments. Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. And y'all please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Y'all have a great day.